Oh, it's a nice kick to the head. Begin round number 1, bout number 18. Raymond in the blue, Chyi in the red. Ooh, nice straight body shot from Raymond. Both fighters taking their time, not overcommitting. Big swing there by Raymond. Referee in charge, opting for both fighters to engage more in this fight and not to be too passive. Oh, nice kick to the body. Raymond trying to find up top. See the feints coming out a little bit more from Raymond. Now attacking to the body. Raymond combinations against his opponent. Raymond gets Chyi. These two men exchanging kicks. Oh, it's a nice kick to the head from Chyi. End of round number 1. Continue on with the action in bout number 18 between Raymond in the blue gloves and Chyi in the red. Raymond being a lot more active with his volume punches. Oh, there we go. Combination starting to rein in, but then now Chyi on the attack again. Chyi trying to get the clinch. Really trying to force the clinch to throw some of those knees. Now Raymond leaping into the action. These two guys swinging. And there's that knee that Chyi's been looking for. Oh, head kick there from Chyi. Chyi trying to go for some body shots during that clinch. Another hit to the body there again from Chyi. Nice sequence of attack there coming up from Chyi, where he faked the kick, getting into clinch, and he throws that knee. Oh, there again, Raymond trying to find the body coming up top. I mean, that's usually the standard strategy for people who are shorter than their opponents. They tend to try to attack the body first. They use that to close the distance. Oh! Nice head kick there coming up from Chyi. Third and final round between these two athletes in the anti-martial arts ring. Oh, nice set of combinations coming up from Raymond. Oh, strong hits to the body. My goodness. Raymond, not phased by the clinch, he just keeps attacking, just keeps trying to score. Non-stop attacks from Raymond. Raymond just swings. Oh, a swing there again, but he misses. Oh, and there comes a head kick from Jimmy. Oh, head kick once again there by Jimmy. Jimmy trying to go for a knee. A difference of tactics from these two guys. Raymond going for more volume, trying to score. But on the other hand, Jimmy is trying to end his opponent with one shot, kind of knockout attacks. See Jimmy trying to line up for another head kick. There, I called it. Once again, nice low kick there by Raymond. Raymond trying to find his combinations. And Jimmy's lining up the head kick again, yeah! He's really trying to find the head of Raymond. Jimmy understands that if he wants to win this fight, he's got to put Raymond out. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That goes the end of this fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of battle, we now turn to the judges' scorecards. And your winner by unanimous decision goes to the blue corner, Raymond!